Hey guys, thank you for visiting us here at yourrealestate101.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share and turn on notification. Today we are talking about PPP, which stands for Paycheck Protection Program. Its main focus is for small business, but the real question we want to know is what about the landlord? Well, here are my top 5 things you should know about the PPP for the landlord. Number one, most landlords will not benefit much from the PPP. Number two, the PPP is meant for direct employment, not third party like subcontractors, and definitely not for that guy that works for a couple of beers. Number three, landlords will mostly benefit if your tenant gets paid from their employment and decide to pay you instead of going out and doing some last minute or post Christmas shopping. We also have to remember with this bill, evictions will be stopped as well. Number four, if you have a worker, you give a W 2, you can apply. And number five, most people don't know this, but if you are a self employed landlord, you can apply for yourself. Okay, there you have it, my top 5 things a landlord should know about the PPP. And guys, help me out. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and don't forget to like, share. Tell me what you think about the PPP and let's start a conversation.